Breaking news from Koodler Inc. There is a coughing epidemic that is killing millions. Friends everywhere are dying, like this guy. What can we do to solve this problem? Introducing the coffin. It's the solution for all your coughing needs. Just follow these simple directions and you can get cured in no time. Step 1. Get lots of tape. As can be seen, it's pretty difficult. Just check out our senior correspondent tape collector, Skip Teppins, as he collects his tape to build the coffin. Looks like he's almost got it, but nope, didn't get it. Oh man. Well, maybe next time. Looks like he's got his tape. Now we can move on to step 2. Make many strips. As you can see, it is quite messy and quite difficult. Get as many strips as possible before you run out of tape.
Someone help!
Hello, I'm Koodler's girlfriend. Hi.
Once you run out of tape, you can get to step 3. Get your friend inside. Next step is to get your sickly person secured. Cover the person with the extra dome equipment that is provided by Koodler Inc. This is an extraneous purchase that is complimentary when you have the monthly subscription. Please use with caution, as you may get sick in the process. Top not included. Step 3.75. Use the tape. As you can see in real time, the tape is to be used to secure the coffin. Check out our live demo for more information.
It's been 4 days. Yeah. I don't even know where my friends are anymore. It's a small, but let me tell you, the treatment is definitely working. I feel better. I feel renewed. I haven't coughed in a long time. Let me tell you. I'm gonna wait a couple more hours, make sure I haven't, no infections. You know what I'm saying? And then let's see. Let's see how it works. I don't know. I'm still curious. Will it last? Let's check it out. Okay.
There are no side effects of the coffin, only main effects. Main effects include cough out, deathish, asbestos, claustrophobia, deafness, monster, Dick and Little, astronaut, cardboard, and Rumpelstiltskin. The coffin can be yours for only 29 United States money and 99 cents money.